Hi guys, my name is Zoran and today I'm going to show you how to make $400 by promoting free webinars. Now this is a simple method and everybody can do it and you don't need any special skills and it is worldwide, and best of all, you won't do any sales. Professional people will actually make sales for you. All you have to do is promote those free webinars and everybody likes free stuff. I will also show you how to find those free webinars and how to promote them. But before we begin, if you're into making money online and internet marketing, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get notifications when I upload new videos. Okay, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to start. To find these webinars, you need to go on ClickBank. Now, for those of you who don't know what ClickBank is the largest digital product marketplace on internet. Of course, first you need to create your account. After you create your account, you need to go on affiliate marketplace. And you need to choose one of these categories that you are familiar with. I'm in internet marketing, so I will choose e-business and e-marketing. And when you see average sales like this, $300, $500, $400, those are usually free webinars. Now let's check this one. Okay, this is John Crestani. I actually promoted his webinar. You can find lots of his videos on YouTube. Now to promote this webinar, you need to go back and click on promote and then click on generate hope links. Now I have to say that you will not make $522 for every person you refer to this webinar. No, you will make $500 only when one of those people actually buy the product that he is promoting. Now that is not a problem because he is a professional seller. He will make sales much easier than you will do. So all you have to do is actually get as much people as you can on this free webinar. Now to promote this webinar, you need to go on Facebook and simply, because I'm in internet marketing, type internet marketing, then groups. And you need to join all of these groups and start promoting this free webinar. And people will join because it's a free webinar. And especially if that webinar is made by someone well known in that niche. Also, another great way to promote webinars are forums, related forums. So you need to find related forums in your niche, and you need to join those forums and add a link to this free webinar in your signature. To find these forums, go on Google, type your keyword plus forum. Internet marketing forum. Okay, and there is a Warrior Forum and other forums. There is websites that actually made the list of best internet marketing forums, and you need to join 5, 10, 15 forums in your niche. And you need to start making 5 to 10 posts every day on all of these forums. And within 30 days, you will see clicks on that link in your signature. You will see people joining to that free webinar, and you will see sales. So you will make $400, $500 for promoting this free webinar. You can also promote these free webinars on Twitter, on Pinterest, on Reddit, on related blogs and websites. You can even find websites that will charge you only $100 for 100,000 impressions. I usually make one sale on every 10 to 15 people that I refer. I cannot guarantee that you will get the same results. You may need to refer 40, 50, 60 people to make one sale. So if I refer, let's say, 45 people this month on this free webinar, I will make 3 sales. That is $1,200 this month. And like I said, I only need to promote this free webinar. Other people, professional salesmen, will actually do the sales. So that is how you promote free webinars and make $400 That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.